Hello everyone, this is Baishali Roy presenting before you the presentation in which we are going to discuss about how to design wind turbine which will ensure low maintenance cost and an efficient performance. In the increase in the environmental safety concerns, interest to renewable energy has been rising. This gives the rise in popularity to wind turbine, which is a type of renewable energy. We know that a wind turbine converts wind energy to mechanical and then to electrical energy. In this presentation, our problem statement is to control the pitch angle in a wind turbine so that the generator shaft spins at nominal speed, and we will use Matlab simulating to determine the pitch angle of the by controlling the power of attack. Now, as you can see in the figure, it is given the control system designed for a wind turbine, and the problem statement is given here. In the figure, we can see on the left side we have a supervisory main controller which controls the turbine and also differentiates the turbine inputs, which gives the access the system. On top we have the supervisory main controller which controls the turbine and also differentiates the turbine input across the system. Then we have the dynamic modeling blade load. On the right side we have the controller which connects with the nozzle. Next we in the presentation there is various charts which has been done in Matlab, like the rotor speed, pitch control and pitch control, command angle, sparking brake and wind speed and direction. As you can see here, these are the slides. These are the various charts which are mentioned, which I have mentioned before. Now, in this chart, we can see that the while running the commutation at the beginning of the wind speed is too long. Once the wind gets is high enough, by system comes to leave and rotor gets turned on the system is going to accelerate at a certain speed. Once the speed is reached, blades will pitch in order to maintain that speed, so that the generator can produce sufficient amount of power. And as the wind speeds and the wind speed increases, the direction changes, the pitch of the blade also changes. At the same point, wind speed will be too low and the turbines will be turned off, as it is shown in the figure here, the speed and direction of the wind turbine. Now at last we will move on to the overview of the pitch system. Here the actuator control will measure the pitch angle. In actuator control, compensator design is based on the derivation from the command value. The other control system is to event based control. Now at last I would like to conclude here by saying that for our problem statement we have managed here with the application of the wind turbine and how to overcome it. Thank you.